everybody, this is Michelle Fox and welcome back to Quick Tip Friday. Today I'm going to show you how you can take your gift wrap to the next level by coordinating your gift bag with your project. Now this week I did a video on a cute little table topper or pillowcase or wall hanging, whatever you wanted to make out of it. I did a little quilt that had Boo written on it. This is that little project. Super cute, quick and easy. If you're interested in that, check out my video from earlier this week. But I wanted to show you a little gift bag I made to put this little gift in for giving away. It's just this little Boo gift bag. And let me show you the products that I used to make this. Okay, so here's that cute little set. Oh, super cute. Okay, let me show you what I used. First of all, I just had some cute scraps of fabric from my Halloween fabric, so I just picked this one. This one would have been super cute too for the letter B. And then I just used these eyes, these large wiggly eyes. And I purchased those at Walmart. I don't know what happened to the top of that. I was going to show you what they looked at. But these are just super large wiggly eyes from Walmart. And all I did, I used the Ultra Hold. You really need to use the Ultra Hold. And I get these bags from Hobby Lobby and they just come in a bundle like this. And I love to make these gift bags. I've done another video on Christmas gift bags. If you're interested in that, I'll put a link above there. But I just did it the same way. I cut out the letters. Now see, you could have even just cut out a letter and just paper and put that on there, and that would have been cute too. But I chose to use fabric. And again, my cute little leftovers. And I simply fused that on there, glued the eyes on, and then I just put some curly ribbon on there. I love curly ribbon. I have lots of different colors of curly ribbon. It's an inexpensive way to dress up any gift bag. And then, of course, you can just take your tissue paper and, you know, dress up your bags this way too, by just putting a little tissue paper in your gift bag. Okay, so there you have that little gift set. Super cute. Now who wouldn't like that? Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, please share with a friend. And as always, leave a comment. I love to get the comments and try to reply to each and every one. So until next time, have fun quilting.